In this video, you will learn how to create Pinterest story pins. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you trying it from yourself. So first step, you have to open your Pinterest app in your Android or iOS device. Now you have to simply click on this plus icon in the bottom. Now you have to click on this option called pin, and now you have to select a video or photo which you want to add in your story pin. Let's say I want to add this photo in this video. After that, you have to simply click on next in a top right corner, and now you have to simply again click on next, and now you have to add a title of your story pin. Now you have to click on create in the bottom right corner. As you can see, our story pin started created. And that's how you can create story pin your phone. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.